Experience a sumptuous shower with the Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom 700mm panel. Its sleek and sophisticated design features a stunning brushed brass profile that adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom. With 8mm toughened safety glass and a height of 2000mm, you get unparalleled protection and a sense of spaciousness. The Scudo S8 can be installed with ease to fit your requirements, whether you prefer a shower tray or a tiled wet-room floor. Additionally, it comes with a 1-meter support arm for added stability and peace of mind. Looking for a customized shower space? Not a problem. This Scudo S8 brushed brass shower screen can be fitted alone for a minimalist look or paired with a flipper panel and slash or side panel for extra functionality. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom, where style meets practicality in the most delightful way possible. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.